Well, the focus in Parliament today seems to be election reforms, specifically the controversial special intensive revision of electoral rolls. Allegations of voter deletions, lack of transparency have turned what should have been a routine exercise into a full-blown political flashpoint, as we've been covering. But leading the charge from the opposition today, Rahul Gandhi. And let's go across to Aishwarya for the list of Congress speakers that are expected today. Aishwarya, take us through the details.
Parmeshwar, it is a movement that a lot of opposition political parties were waiting for in the parliament, because remember, in the entire monsoon session, that was a complete deadlock between the government and opposition. A very minimal work was done because of the face-off between the government and opposition on the demand on discussion on SIR. And in the winter session, it was again the opposition parties who protested outside the parliament, demanded in the business advisory committee meeting, in the all-party meeting, that they want discussion on SIR. And for the very first time, we have seen government softening stance and agreeing to the demand of opposition. Perhaps this is not a debate on SIR, but a debate and discussion on the electoral reforms of the country. Of course, the opposition parties will rake up the issue of SIR, the BLO's deaths, and how there has been many state governments which are not allowing the BLOs to work properly. They are under pressure. So certainly it is all of these opposition parties who will be raking up the issue of SIR, Rahul Gandhi being the prominent one as far as his press conferences are concerned regarding vote chori, the entire vote chori narrative that has been built by the Congress party and the RJD in the Bihar election. But we have got the first list of the Congress party. As far as the list of speakers are concerned, the entire debate will be led by Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi in the Lok Sabha, followed by it. We have got the speakers list: KC Venugopal, Manish Tiwari, Varsha Gaikwad, Mohammad Javed, Ujjwal Raman Singh, Isa Khan, Ravi Mallu, Imran Masood, Gowal Padavi and Jyoti Mani.
Right.
So a huge list of speakers. As far as the timing are concerned, 2.5 hours has been allocated to the Congress party, 3 hours has been allocated to the Bharatiya Janata Party. We will see Amit Shah initiating most likely for the government as far as electoral reforms debate from the government side is concerned.
We leave it there for now, Aishwarya. As always, thank you so much. We'll revert to you for regular updates from outside Parliament. Well, the stage is set for a high-voltage debate in Parliament, as Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, will lead the opposition discussion on electoral reforms and the special intensive revision of voter rolls in the Lok Sabha today. Now, during the debate, Rahul Gandhi is expected to raise the issue of vote theft and the accountability of the Election Commission of India. Remember, this issue has been one of the central themes of his recent political campaigning. Mr. Gandhi and the broader opposition have repeatedly alleged that discrepancies exist in voter rolls. They've alleged manipulation of electoral procedures and selective enforcement by the Election Commission of India to undermine the elections. Meanwhile, the opposition is also expected to raise the contentious issue of alleged pressure on booth-level officers, BLOs, during this voter list revision and re-verification drive.
25 lakh vote chori in Haryana. 5 categories. Why is EC not removing duplicates? Because if they remove duplicates, there will be a fair election. If they ensure that there is one entry, one picture, there's a fair election. And EC doesn't want a fair election. The Chief Election Commissioner is lying to the people of India openly. This is a method to make voter and address verification difficult. This is not a mistake. This is not about homeless people. And we can show you, if you look at the list, just by looking at their faces and looking at what they're wearing, they're not homeless people.
और ये बीजेपी और इलेक्शन कमीशन का सिस्टम है और हमारे पास और भी सबूत है और वो आस्ते आस्ते हम दिखाएंगे. बट मेन मुद्दा वोट चोरी का है और SIR उसको अब कवर अप करने का है और इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज करने का सिस्टम है. लोकतंत्र पर आक्रमण हो रहा है, अंबेडकर जी के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर आक्रमण हो रहा है और डायरेक्टली मोदी जी, अमित शाह जी और ज्ञानेश जी जॉइंटली पार्टनरशिप बना के कर रहे हैं और इससे देश का बहुत नुकसान हो रहा है, भारत माता का नुकसान हो रहा है.
विजय ही नहीं हुई है, ये लोकतंत्र की भी विजय है. भारत के लोकतंत्र पर भरोसा करने वालों की भी विजय है। इस चुनाव ने भारत के चुनाव आयोग पर जनता के विश्वास को और मजबूत किया है। बीते कुछ सालों से लगातार भारी मतदान होना, वंचितों, शोषितों द्वारा ज्यादा से ज्यादा मतदान करना, ये चुनाव आयोग की बहुत बड़ी सिद्धि है। बिहार ने फिर दिखाया है, झूठ हारता है, जन विश्वास जीतता है।
ये सत्र संसद देश के लिए क्या सोच रही है, संसद देश के लिए क्या करना चाहती है, संसद देश के लिए क्या करने वाली है, इन मुद्दों पर केंद्रित होनी चाहिए। विपक्ष भी अपना दायित्व निभाएं, चर्चा में ऐसे मुद्दे उठाएं, मजबूत मुद्दे उठाएं, पराजय के निराशा में से बाहर निकल करके आए। और दुर्भाग्य है कि एकाध दो दल तो ऐसे हैं कि वो पराजय भी नहीं पचा पाते। और मैं सोच रहा था बिहार के नतीजे इतना समय हो गया है तो अब थोड़ा संभल गए होंगे, लेकिन कल जो मैं बयानबाजी सुन रहा हूं उनकी, तो उसे लगता है कि पराजय ने उनको परेशान करके रखा।